Hey, digital marketing with beginners fan. Welcome to my very first video. And on this video, I'll just show you guys the different ways on how to make money online and why I do love selling digital products. And also a lot of how-tos, right? Like how to sell digital products and how to create content to sell digital products. But yeah, before I start, I want to thank you guys again for being here tonight. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys like the content. And also if you guys are still looking for digital products and other services that you guys want to sell to your audience, click on the links below. But that said, here's the content for today. So, how to make money online, right? So, the first way that I can think of is to sell a or sell a product. Obviously, right? Any business in this world, it doesn't matter if you're online or offline. You got to be selling a product, right? So it's either a physical product um, or a digital product, right? And then you can also sell services like insurance, for example, coaching, like car wash, right? Like people who come to your house, like cleaning services. What else? Shoe cleaning businesses and other businesses. There's so many services out there. There's also a lot of online services, like coaching, for example. What else? Yeah, and this any service-based business, anything that you can serve your audience or serve people is considered a service-based business, right? Like social media marketing agencies is another example of a service-based business. Um, what else? Creating content for clients. What else? Video editing, creating images for people. So those are examples of services. And then some people also trades, right? So people can trade stocks, trade cryptocurrency options, and they can make money with the market. So gold. Some people trade gold and silver too. Sports cards, Pokemon cards. Let me add that too. Pokemon cards, sports cards, and art too, right? So people trade art too. So, and to me, they're all very similar anyway. We're just trading either a product or service for money, or if we're trading the stock market or the crypto market, for example, you're trading stocks for money. And as a bonus, I'm also going to add content creation. I think with content creators, we trade attention for money, right? So, for example, this video, I'm trading my attention to you guys, and in return, YouTube can pay me a fee, or I can make money from selling services to you guys. And here's some reasons why I love digital products. So, obviously, this channel is about digital marketing. So, on this channel, I'm going to talk to you guys more about digital products. So, I love selling digital products because there's no inventory. So you don't need to carry any physical products like household products or books. You don't gotta be shipping or storing anything. Let me add that to storage. So no storing. So you don't ship anything to anyone. You don't handle any physical products. You don't store anything. You don't need a warehouse, right? You don't need to have a garage full of products. You don't need to be on any like recurring services where you receive products. Selling digital products is also very scalable, meaning you can buy the product once and you can resell the same product over and over again. And I think this one is really powerful because you don't need to constantly buy inventory, right? If you guys don't know, I also sell on Amazon. I've also sold in other marketplaces in the past, like Shopify, eBay, Facebook Marketplace. And those are good models, except that you guys are always needing to buy inventory, which I don't think is a lot is doable for a lot of people. So I do like having digital products as a product because I don't carry anything. The products are online. I can buy one or create one and then resell the same product over and over again, right? So yeah, you buy the product once and you can resell the same product over and over again. And then you can also create your own product and sell the same product over and over again. So for example, you like cooking, right? You can create a cooking digital product. If you like makeup, you can create a makeup digital product. If you like ecom, for example, or Amazon, you can create a digital product based on your expertise. Create that product, and then you can resell that to your audience over and over again. So to me, it's really scalable. It's not really a lot of headache because you're not carrying anything, you're not storing anything. You don't really have any employees unless you have virtual assistants. You don't really have any warehouse. You don't deal with, you know, shipping, handling. I also want to add returns. So there's really no returns. It also gives you the flexibility to work from anywhere because you're not tied up to a certain location. So let me add that too on number 7. So you're not tied up to a physical location, right? Meaning you can be overseas, you can be in a different state, you can be anywhere in the world, right? And run this business because you're not tied up to a certain place or location. You're not tied up to physical products. So yeah. And then you're probably wondering how do you sell digital products? I use social media. You can also use offline methods like, mail or flyers or doing events. Those still work, but for this example, I'm just gonna use digital marketing because my channel is about digital marketing, right? So you can sell digital products by using social media. So Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Pinterest. It doesn't really matter which one you use. I would start with one or two first that you're most comfortable with. Each platform has their own pros and cons. Each platform has their own ways of, like promoting your products. So for example, on Facebook, you can just type, right? Like type a lot of, you can type your content. You can also do photos. You can do videos. You can do flyers. On Instagram, you can't really type much, so it's very visual on Instagram. You need to do a lot of videos or photos or carousels, right? Flyers. On TikTok, there's a lot of video too. So you can shoot like 20, 30-second videos promoting your digital product. On YouTube is very unique because you have YouTube Shorts, right? Add it here, Shorts and long form videos. So YouTube is very unique too because you can shoot long form videos and it's the quickest, well not quickest, but it's the most effective way of communicating with your audience, right? Because you're talking to them for at least 8-10 minutes, and YouTube just brings a lot of trust with your audience because you're doing long videos. Then LinkedIn is more, for like professionals who want to create content. It's not very casual like Facebook and Instagram and YouTube. So with LinkedIn, you have to be very, very professional. And then here's some examples of content. So again, photos, right? Photos can be carousels, flyers, selfies. So photos of anything, right? Photos of a text, photos of coats, carousels, flyers, and then text. Text is when you write up or if you write up content for your Facebook, right? You just type what like whatever you want to say, you just type it. And then the third example is videos like this one. You shoot videos, you do short form or long form. And then recently I've been doing a lot of AI content too. So AI content can be photos and videos too. And then this one is really powerful because it grabs a lot of attention from your viewers, right? So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. And on my next videos, I'm gonna be going deeper on these examples, right? I'm gonna be showing you guys how to market on each platform, and I'm gonna be just sharing with you guys how to make money using the social media platforms. So, with that said, I hope you guys got value from this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you guys wanna learn any topics, please post them in the comments below so I can make videos about it. See you guys. Bye bye.